Good morning students, welcome to the St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn about Standard 3 English Grammar. In our previous video we learned about essay on rainy season. Today we are going to learn essay on my favorite bird, peacock. Okay, so let's start. My favorite bird is peacock. It is our national bird. It is a symbol of the beauty, pride and glory of our nation. It is a very beautiful bird. Peacock usually has blue color and its feathers having mixture of blue, green and golden colors. Peacocks are found in India, Sri Lanka, Indonesia and Africa, etc. Peacocks look attractive due to their colorful feathers. Peacocks looks beautiful when it dances in rain. Peacocks have a crest or crown on their head. Peacocks prefer living in the forest and do not build nests. Peacocks can fly only for short distance. The female peacock is called a peahen. Peacocks are considered as the king of bird. Okay students, so write this essay in your composition book as a homework and read it and memorize it. It is helpful for your semester 1's exam. Okay, so now we are going to start letter writing. We write letters to share ideas, thoughts and information with one another. Letters are of two types, formal and informal. What is formal letters? You know students, a formal letters is a letter that is written in the formal language with a specific format for business or official purpose. And the informal letters is a letter written to your friends or family members. Okay, and informal letters contains the following parts. Here is the format of informal letter. Sender's address, date, then leave a line, dear, recipient's name, body of the letter, your lovingly, affectionately. This is the complimentary clause, then sender's name. You can see here students, this is the formal letter. A letter inviting your friend for your birthday celebration. 39 3rd Cross, New Post Road, Bengaluru. You know students, when you start writing the letter, you write it near the left margin. When you start writing the letter, you start with your address. You can see here students. I'll start it with the address 39 3rd Cross, New Post Road, Bengaluru. First you have to write house number, society where you live and city where you live. After that you have to give all the three information without leaving any space between. The first letter of each word will be capital. Okay, then leave a line, then write the date. After that leave a line. Now write the salutation. You can see here students, dear Sophia, salutations. Then write the body of the letter. You are invited to my birthday party on 1st November 2020 at 7 p.m. to be held at my residence, 39 3rd Cross, New Post Road, Bengaluru. Please do come with your family. Now we are going to finish the letter. So we are using complimentary clause. Yours affectionately, Taran. Okay. So this is the formal letter, a letter inviting your friend for your birthday celebration. Write this letter in your composition book as a homework. Read it and memorize it. Now formal letter. We write formal invitation letters to invite guests to an official or a formal event. They contains the following parts. This is the format of formal letter. Sender's address, date, recipient's name, recipient's address, dear sir or madam, salutation, body of the letter, then your sincerely, faithfully, truly. This is the complimentary clause and sender's name. Okay, so let's see a formal invitation. This is the invitation letter to the chief guest at the science fair of your school. Saint Agnes High School, Mathura Road, New Delhi. This is the sender's address. Who is sending the letter? After that, leave a line and date. 15/6/13 1930 2013. Dr. K. Misra, Professor of Physics, Faculty of Science, Delhi University, New Delhi 21. This is the recipient's name and address for whom we are going to write the letter. Dear Sir, salutation. I am writing on behalf of the students of St. Agnes High School. We would like to invite you to be the chief guest at the inauguration of the science fair that opens at our school at 11 a.m. on 23rd September 2013. Several students will exhibit the science models made by them. There will also be a science quiz. We hope that you will be able to accept our invitation. Kindly confirm your availability by writing back to us. We look forward to hearing from you. This is the body of letter. Then your sincerely complimentary clause, Manisha Banereja, sender's name, who is sending the letter. Okay, who is writing the letter. Now this is the letter how you will write in your notebook. Okay, so write this letter in your notebook as a homework, in your composition book as a homework. Read it and memorize it. Okay students, in our next video we are going to learn about diary writing, and also we are going to learn about our paper style and syllabus. Okay students, thank you.